This is exactly how to connect your Kodak Pixpro to Wi-Fi. So if you have the Kodak Pixpro AZ528 here, as you can see, you need to firstly power it on. And once you have powered it on, make sure to actually switch this right here, as you can see, until you can see the Wi-Fi symbol right here. So switch around, and then on the screen itself, you should be able to see all the details for that specific Wi-Fi, by the way. And if you have the VPZ2 here, what you need to do is to click on the mode button here and then click on Wi-Fi after that. So make sure to power it on and then click on the mode button here and then go to the Wi-Fi settings. And after you have done so, you need to then get your phone, and then you need to get the Pixpro remote viewer app here, as you can see. So you can get it if you have an iPhone, then just go to the App Store, search for the Pixpro remote viewer. If you have the Android, just go to Google Play Store and search for it as well, and just get that app. Once you have gotten the app, you need to close the app actually, and then go to your settings on your phone instead, and then go to your Wi-Fi settings on your phone, and then you need to now check your camera. So once you have actually enabled Wi-Fi on your camera, or you have switched, as I showed you before, either switch this one if you have the AZ528, or clicked on the mode button here for your VPZ2 camera here, you will be able to see the Wi-Fi settings right here. You need to make sure to look for this one firstly. So this right here, the name of the Wi-Fi and the password right here. Make sure that you actually know that. And then on the Wi-Fi settings itself, you need to find on networks this right here, what it's called for you right here. So it's gonna look something like this, just so you know. So click on it and then enter the password, and then you should be able to connect to it. Once you're connected to Wi-Fi now, you can then go to your Pixpro remote viewer app and you can access your camera from there. And basically that is exactly how to actually connect your Kodak Pixpro to Wi-Fi.